Here is the content of my Phantom wallet, and you can see I have got over $750,000. How did I generate this income? It wasn't through trading, it was through deving. Trading is a mug game, deving is the way forward. Watch this video and I will show you a simple step-by-step process that has allowed me to dev my own coins and make cash. Noise! This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Now, we're going to get into this method soon, but first, I always like to take a look at one of the coins that's currently live right now and just see the kind of stories that are unfolding. And this looks like one of those rare instances where this is a coin that is just doing really well. This is just going up and up and up and just doesn't seem to be stopping. And it's only been live for a few hours, and it's gone from its initial start of around 8k to now we're looking at 370 odd k, which is fantastic. These coins are few and far between though, and also if you want to make serious money on a coin like this, you still need to invest tons and tons of money if you're in the trading game, because of course if you only invest $10 and it goes up by 5%, then you only get like 50 cents back, right? It's not a lot. You need to invest thousands into these coins in order to make good money, and even then, these guys, some of them have got red P&Ls, not looking great, but some of them make big bucks because they've got a lot of capital to work with. My method doesn't require any of that, doesn't require very much capital at all, and you can start making some serious money by launching your own coin using a site like createcoin.fund, and it's a site that has no coding requirements at all. You do not need to know how to code to get your coin online on createcoin.fund. All you need is a bit of Solana and the ability to click a few buttons, which I'm sure you can do because you found yourself on this video. Okay, so again, that is createcoin.fund with a bit of Solana and no coding required. That is all we need. So let's head back to terminal again and let's have a quick discussion about markets. Okay, so here we have the pump market. Now the pump market is great because there's so many coins, there's so much choice on the pump market. The pump market also sucks for the very same reason, because 10,000 coins are being published every single second. There's so much noise, so many shit coins. You as a new coin dev are just not going to get past it. It's impossible. However, there are other markets available. Let's switch over to the Memecoin market using dynamic on terminal, and now what we can see is that a lot of the market caps are spreading out a lot better. There's more coins that get into the higher brackets of market caps on Memecoin than there is on pump. Okay, so now here's the thing, we want to take advantage of that better market environment. So what we're going to do is we are going to launch our coin onto Memecoin, and that's what createcoin.fund does. You can see here loads of really good market caps on these coins. Now back to createcoin.fund. First thing we need to do is link our wallet. So please just let me briefly pop my password in. There we go. Now we have got just over $100 sitting inside this Phantom wallet here, and we are going to connect our wallet by pushing connect wallet and hit Phantom there. If your wallet is already on your browser, it should link up very easily. Now the typical thing you might do is come up with a coin from scratch. Okay, and this is where you pop a name, you'd pop a symbol, and you'd pop an image, and that would be linked to some kind of narrative, something that's going on in the world where you can take advantage of everyone knowing what it is. So here we have a bunch of coins that have already done well, because this is in fact using the copy trending tab. We're not making our own coins here. We are taking one that already exists, is a proven concept, and putting it into a better market condition, because all these coins have done well on the pump market, and as we discussed, the pump market is not the best for new coins. So these ones are already proven concepts that have done well. So you've got the market caps, you have got the names of them and when they were last paired. If you're not happy with them, you can hit refresh and have a look at some other coins available as well. So I pick them really based on vibes because I'm not going to run them for very long, so I could just pick this Tsuchuji. I'm going to pick this coin here, and we're going to click proceed, confirm, and confirm again once we've ticked a box. This is just saying that our capital is at risk, as it always is in the Memecoin game, so it's nothing crazy out of the unusual. So we've created our token, but now we need to give it some liquidity. So what we need to do is create a liquidity pool. Now when we do, we need to put in a bit of our Solana behind the token to give it some initial value. So you've got the name, you've got the amount of tokens. You can change either of these, but to be honest, you're not going to touch any of those because it's already proven, so you don't need to worry about that. All you need to do is put in a little bit of Solana. I typically put in 0.2. This has been a very consistent number for me that has worked very well. 0.2 Solana just seems to get the job done for me, so especially if this is your first time, I would recommend doing that. So here we go. We have got our pool here, and you can see we've we've got the Sol, we've got the tokens, and we've got the dollar value currently sitting at 1468. So we are nearly ready to go live, but we just need to hit one more button, and that is the lightning bolt button here, and that is our token booster. Now, this is a crucial part of this process, allows it to get going really quickly. You spend a bit extra, 0.25 Sol, and you get put to the top of Dex Screener's trending list. So what this means is that bots that are registered to go onto the trending list and click some of the coins there are going to hit us, and we need to make sure that we are getting that initial capital that puts us in front of everybody else and gets our coin going. Let's take a look on Dex Screener and see how we are performing. So you can see here our coin there, not even going to bother saying the name again, is live and ready to go. So we already are getting the trades in. Market cap did hit 2k, still at 2k, fantastic, and our liquidity is over 1k. So you can see already we have got some decent numbers already coming up on our coin here. Now there will be sells, obviously, that's what happens. People lose faith quickly, that's fine, but remember, we've only spent about 0.5 of a Sol coin, and as long as there's more than 0.5 of a Sol coin in our coin at all, then that means that we will do really well in terms of our profit. When you're ready to extract that profit, we head back to createcoin.fund, we hit the refresh button here so we can see how much our coin is now worth. So I make money on these coins and I like to give back to the community, so I'm running a prize draw. If you would like to be in with a chance of winning 50% of what I make on this coin, like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will put you into a prize draw where you could win 50% of over $770. That is an incredible turnaround. Hit the minus button, hit 100%, remove that liquidity entirely, and put it all inside our Phantom wallet. And there you go. It's as easy as that, guys. As I said, just a few button presses, I've turned $100 into $775. That is the method, and that is what I've been doing to get fat stacks of cash.